Hello there, and welcome to gbcloud. Today, I'll show you how to begin using RunCloud on gbcloud. First and foremost, if you haven't already, join up for gbcloud. Kindly sign up before we start. To get started, log in to the gbcloud client area and access the Cloud Control Panel to create an instance. Give your instance a name. Choose a configuration that fulfills your needs. RunCloud supports Ubuntu 16.04, Ubuntu 18.04, and Ubuntu 20.04. You can select Ubuntu 20.04 to proceed with the installation. If you like, you can add SSH keys. Now, the instance already created. The next step is to sign up for a RunCloud account. To create a new account, enter your name, email address, and password, or sign in with your Google account. RunCloud offers a simple control interface with one-click solutions to typical activities. Deploy directly from Git or a script-installed CMS such as WordPress. When you use RunCloud to launch your cloud server, you get an optimized server stack that includes the greatest alternatives available, such as Nginx, Apache, Redis, MariaDB, and Memcache. To get started, click the Connect a Server. Select Others from the Connect Server section. Give your server a name, input the cloud server's public IP address, and then click Continue to connect the server settings. You will then be given a bootstrapping script to run on your cloud server. After that, search PuTTY, then paste the IP address server. Then, on your server terminal, paste the script and run it. RunCloud will install the essential dependencies as well as software and tools such as Fail2Ban, MariaDB, and Nginx on the server. When the installation is complete, you should see something similar to the example below. This includes the database root password, as well as the newly established RunCloud user account and password. You should keep these in a safe place. Done! Now you can enjoy your fast cloud server. That's all for now. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on our YouTube channel. Thank you for your time, and have a pleasant day.